Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Let's make a beautiful dough art. Here we're going to roll a dough and using chopsticks we're going to make line on the top of it and cut it like this. Remove the top and bottom portion. Using comb we're going to press it from the sides and make cut as well. Now using chopsticks we're going to hold it and press it. It is looking like a fish now. We're going to make the fins as well using comb and make multiple cut on the side of it using scissors. You can further give it shape using knife. We are using spoon here for making the head of the fish and put the eyes of it like this. Now we are going to make different textures. We are making scales of the fish on the top of it. In place of this you can also use a spoon. Now put it in a circle. After this we are going to take 4 dough circles and press it. Make a design using comb. Put it in a straight line and roll it. Make this flower shape and put it at the center, and look, your beautiful dough art design is ready. Here we are going to roll the dough and fold it. At the top we are going to hold it using chopsticks and press it from the top and bottom. Now we are going to make the tail and fins. We are going to give it shape of a fish here. After this we are going to put the eyes. We are also making a hole on the front face, and look, it's done. Now we're going to make the texture on the top of it using this chopstick. Fold it from the sides and it's done. We are going to make this beautiful dough art, so let's get started. First, roll the dough using comb. We are going to make a design. Cut it and roll it from the bottom side. Again fold it, and using chopsticks we are going to fold it. Using fork again we are going to make a design and make the tail of the bird. Similarly make the feathers and eyes and beak as well. We are also putting this green twig inside it and make multiple cut on the side, and look, your beautiful dough art is ready. Roll the dough and make 6 partition. Now using knife or you can take spoon, we're going to make a design on the top of it. Now separate all of them and put a date at the center and fold it like this. We are going to make a flower shape. Here we're going to put all of them one after another. Hold it at the center using chopstick. Now take another piece of dough. We are going to make another flower here. So we're going to make a design on the top of it by pressing it using stick and put it at the center. We're going to roll a dough and make these elongate shapes. Now we are going to press it at the center using chopsticks. After this we're going to fold it from the sides. We're going to make a flower shape here. So using chopsticks we're going to press it and make 3 holes on the top of it. Similarly we're adding further designs using knife. You can also take a spoon in place of this. After making the design we're going to take another 4 circular doughs and make a design on the top of it using comb. Cut it and put it in a straight row. Here we're going to make the flower shape, so roll it and put it at the center like this. Spread the petals and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.